Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, I will show you how to add email to Telegram account on phone in detailed steps. So, let's start the video. But before proceeding with this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we post a new video. How to add email to Telegram account on phone? Adding your email on Telegram is one of the security measures you should use in Telegram. Luckily, the process is simple, but you must have a valid email, as a link will be sent to the email you add for authentication. To do so, open your Telegram application on your phone. On the main window that will appear, tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, at the top left. Tap on the settings option from the listed menu options. Under the settings section, tap the privacy and security option. Tap the two-step verification option. Enter your password if prompted to, and tap the arrow button. Tap on the set recovery email option. If you want a different recovery email, tap the change recovery email option. Enter your email in the email text field, and tap the arrow button at the bottom right. Finally, enter the verification code sent to your email. You will get an email confirmation that your two-step verification has been enabled. If you change the email, a code will be shared with your name and email address. Check the verification code sent to your new email and add it on Telegram to verify the email. How to adding a second Telegram account? If you want to add another account on Telegram, you'll be glad to know that it's a breeze. Simply follow these straightforward steps, launch the Telegram app, and tap the 3 lines stacked in the top left corner. Click on the arrow pointing down next to your account name. Tap Add Account. Type in your phone number. Verify that it's really you making a second account. Now that you've got 2 accounts, it's essential to stay vigilant and avoid sending messages from the wrong one. So, this is all about how to add email to Telegram account on phone in detailed steps. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.